Hello, hi everyone. How are you all doing? So, guys, we are taking a short break from our Viva Surf. As many of you are coming to us on WhatsApp and asking कि कुछ casual दिखाइए, कुछ semi formal दिखाइए. You wanted those types of suits, so here we are. So, guys, I'm just going to open this up. आज के suits are all are in pure Munga silk. All three pieces are in Munga silk. I'll let you know जैसे मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. और सब में कुछ ना कुछ डिटेलिंग है. दे आर प्रिंटेड बेसिकली, बट कुछ ना कुछ कांथा वर्क है, लेस डिटेलिंग है. सो ऑल दैट इज देयर इन दी सूट्स. So this is the close up. It's very nice olive green, mehendi green color. You can see the kantha work detailing on the kurta. It's running through this and इसमें lace भी है. आप नीचे देख सकते हो. That's the lace detailing. I'm just going to open up the entire kurta and show you. सो मैंने भी आज प्रिंटेड ही पहना है, बट इट्स अ टसर सिल्क. ये भी हमारे पास कुछ पीसेस अवेलेबल हैं. केस यू वांट टू सी यू कैन आस्क अस. ओके गाइस, तो ये प्रिंटेड है. आई होप यू कैन सी द प्रिंट. ये बैक साइड है कुर्ते का. दिस इज द प्लेन बॉटम इन प्योर मूंगा सिल्क प्लेन. yes, it's munga by tussar guys. It's a very fabulous fabric. The composition is such. बहुत rich classy pieces हैं. They can be want to meetings, lunches, stepping out, office, anywhere. They are very very um, excellent pieces. So this is the dupatta with all this print, and you can see the zari border. बहुत ही subtle zari border है. And this is the detailing on the dupatta. I hope you can see it. मैं close लेकर आती हूँ. Just let me show you the entire look of the suit. The beautiful combination of rust and olive green. So this is the front of the kurta. So guys, I'm gonna keep the price range is very very economical for these suit sets. Pure Munga silk 3-piece suit set hai. It's in the range of 12,620. So this is the border. Beautiful, beautiful, and you can see the lace detailing also. ये सब कांथा की embroidery है, which is done on the borders. It's a fabulous, fabulous piece. Okay, moving ahead. So guys, I hope you're catching up with all the videos that we have been posting regularly. विवाह उत्सव का अभी हमने जॉर्जेट सूट्स दिखाए हैं. Just some amazing pieces in georgette. अगर आपने मिस आउट कर दिया, प्लीज गो एंड चेक इट आउट ऑन द पेज. अगर आपको कोई वीडियो नहीं मिलता है, यू कैन आस्क अस फॉर द लिंक. वेबसाइट पे भी the suits are uploaded. Vivaah Utsav is live now on website. Okay guys, another beautiful mustard color ka suit with all this print on it. I'm going to show you the entire bottom and everything. एक बार इसका डिटेल दिखा दूं आपको. So this is the detailing what I was talking about. Borders दिए हैं, बहुत ही subtle, very cute, very very excellent. Borders are given. So the price range I told you for these suits is 12,620. Very economical range. Pure Munga silk by Tassar आपको सूट मिल रहा है in this range. Nothing like that. And you can see for yourself the look, the beauty. Wow, they are just fabulous. जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस चूज किए हैं, दोनों कॉम्बिनेशंस लिए हैं इन द कुर्ता एंड द दुपट्टा, दे आर जस्ट सुपर्ब. So this is the dupatta. Very flowy, very soft, very lightweight. I'm gonna show you the bottom also for this one. ये कुर्ता है पूरा प्रिंट में, नीचे बॉर्डर दिया है, डिटेलिंग है. This is the back side of the kurta, and this is the bottom in onion pink color. What a combination. Okay, moving on to the next. सब एक से एक बढ़कर कलर्स हैं, कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं. एंड दिस इज अ टर्कोइज. कुछ कल परसों ही हमसे कोई व्हाट्सएप पे आई वाज चेकिंग द मैसेजेस, कोई टर्कोइज कलर के सूट मांग रहा था. सो दिस इज अ परफेक्ट टर्कोइज गाइस. So this is the front of the kurta. I'm going to get it close to show you the detailing because पूरे कुर्ते में कांथा वर्क हो रखा है. As you can see, they are just crisp. अभी आए हैं. we've not opened them yet. हमने पिक्चर्स भी अभी नहीं लिए हैं, but they'll be taken soon. जब तक ये पोस्ट होगा, आप pictures will be ready. You can ask us for the pictures. So this is a beautiful color with all this border on the dupatta. You can see the border, the lace detailing, everything on the dupatta. As I told you, they are super rich and elegant pieces. They can be worn to formal meetings, office wear. This is the kantha detailing that you can see on the kurta. So this is the front, this is the back, and the bottom is inside plain. So this is the bottom. So, okay, moving on to the next one. So guys, as I have been always saying कि हमारे पास हर एक में एक पीस होता है एक डिजाइन कलर में. In case you are liking something, just go for it. Take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number and place your order by making the payment. We don't hold pieces without any payment. Please make a note of it. Okay, this is a beautiful gray color, very nice gray shade with all this printing, and this is the detailing on the daman of the kurta. So you can see how beautiful, gorgeous these pieces are. It's a beautiful shade again. I'm gonna open up the dupatta. बहुत सुंदर प्रिंट्स दिए हैं कुर्ते और दुपट्टे में. द कॉम्बिनेशंस आर एक्सीलेंट. So this is the dupatta with it. You can see how light, how flowy the dupatta is. They are super elegant. Okay, I'm gonna move ahead. Guys, we are still shipping free for international client. This is the bottom, huh? It's same. So we are shipping free for international clients for 50K and above. बहुत सारे clients they are just adding on to their pile. जो भी वीडियो से कुछ पसंद आता है, they're just taking it, making the payment, keeping it aside, so that their 50K or above is done, and then they will get it shipped. और बाकी इंडिया में shipping COD is completely free of any extra charge. Only for COD parcels we are taking a token amount. अगर ये सूट 12,620 के हैं जैसे कि, तो you can pay 2620 and 10K you can pay by COD. So that is the only thing for COD parcels. So guys, this is the beautiful combination. This is again a shade of green and blue. So I can't mention what color it is, but it is a shade of green and blue. Just getting it close for you to see the detailing. So this is the dupatta ka lace detailing on it. I hope you can see it. एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी दी है सब में पूरे. बहुत सुंदर डिटेलिंग है. वेरी सटल, वेरी लाइट and very very pretty, so very delicate also. So this is the border. Guys, I'm not opening this up entirely. ये इसका bottom है plain में. It's attached to it. So okay, moving ahead. This is another gray shade. So बहुत shades भी ऐसे बड़े winter wear types हैं. You can just wear them during the day, during the evening, anywhere, anytime. These suits are to be worn anywhere in any time types of suits. You don't have to think twice कहाँ पहनूंगी क्या करूंगी. No, कहीं पर भी पहन के जा सकते हैं. And बनने के बाद they look super rich and elegant, very stylish too. So this is another gray shade. So मैंने आपको सारे winter colors ही दिखाए हैं. I think इसमें very earthy colors, very earthy shades of grays, blues, turquoise. So this is another beautiful piece. Okay, moving ahead to the next styling, altogether different. Price range same है 12,620 for a 3-piece मूंगा silk suit set. This is the bottom guys, plain. इसके कुर्ते में थोड़ी सी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. All is thread embroidery. So basically these suits are no zari suits. Print है, embroidery है. They have been highlighted in such a way. बहुत pretty winter wear suits हैं. मूंगा सिल्क है, वैसे आप सारा साल ही पहन सकते हो. इसमें अच्छी कॉटन मल की लाइनिंग देके, बट स्टिल द शेड्स आर सच कि अभी विंटर में पहनने में और भी मजा आएगा. द कलर शेड्स, द पैलेट दैट वी हैव चोजन इज absolutely stunning. So this is the dupatta with it. You can see how fabulous it is. Very light. So ये neckline है, embroidered बनी हुई. बूटास दिए हैं पूरा embroidery के. The back side is plain. Just show you. There's a हल्का सा this piping or this salvage running through. इसको आप as a piping use कर सकते हो. It look fabulous. So this is the very soft, very lightweight fabric it is guys. Very very light. मूंगा होता ही है flowy, fabulous, lightweight, very very soft fabric. So this is the dupatta with it. ये beautiful mustard yellow color है as you can see, and इसमें embroidery है. Neckline बना हुआ है. The bootas are embroidered. This is the front of the kurta. See how pretty it is without any zari. No zari suits हैं. So this is the, and the embroidery is also all thread embroidery. No zari has been used in the embroidery. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the last piece. Oh, what a color. I'm just gonna open it up. मैं भी first time ही खोल रही हूँ ये सब suits, तो मुझे भी थोड़ा देखने में टाइम लगता है क्या सीधा साइड है उल्टा है, व्हाट इट इज। ओके गाइस, दिस इज द फ्रंट। इसमें थोड़ा सा मुकेश है, कांथा का एम्ब्रॉयडरी है। यस, सो सी अ क्लोज अप फर्स्ट, देन आई विल गेट इट पीछे and you can have a nice look. So it's a beautiful color of purple, shade of purple. It's aubergine purple, जो भी आपको बोलना है. And this is the dupatta with it. Fabulous, fabulous piece again. You can see the work on the dupatta. Mukesh किया है, कांथा किया है borders में. So this is the last piece for the video. Guys, take a screenshot. Come on our WhatsApp number. These suits are not there yet on the website. Available रहेंगे तो हम डालेंगे. I have just one piece in each color and design. So just go for it.